Hi everyone, good evening from here. Hope you're good. Welcome back again to my page. So what you're seeing here is chicken. So I got this contract from someone to make a chicken pepper soup for their group. Yeah, this is 15 whole chicken. 15 whole chicken cut into pieces, but not tiny one, large pieces. So I'm about to wash them now, as you can see. Yeah, I want to remove all the yama inside this chicken so that it will be ready to be cooked. Yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I'm removing all those yellow stuff. I think it's chicken fat. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Removing all the dirt, all the blood clots inside the chicken. Like, I have to clean this chicken so well. I have to clean this chicken so well in order to be neat. Yeah, so after removing all the yama inside the chicken, I am cleaning them. This is the third time I'm washing this chicken. Yeah, this is my third time. I am done washing. I'm about to spice them. This is my onion and garlic. No, not garlic, but ginger. Ginger is optional. If you like, you put. So yeah, but I love using ginger. After that, I added my crayfish. Then I added this ehuru, sachet ehuru. Yeah, you can see it. I added this ehuru inside the chicken. After adding the ehuru, I added this lasso pepper soup spice, or more. You can never go wrong with this lasso pepper soup spice. I don't know what they add in their stew. Like, it is so good for pepper soup. Just try it out. Yeah, this is my pepper and my ozeza seed, well blended. I pour it inside there, inside the chicken. Combination of dried pepper and ozeza seed. Then this is my Maggi crayfish. Yeah, I'm making a large quantity of chicken, so all these spices are needed in a large quantity, not so much large, but you know, your inner spirit will tell you the amount of ingredients you need. Then I added my salt. Yeah, after adding the salt, I have to turn them to combine everything together. Didn't show that in the camera. I did it off camera because I'm using one hand to film and also one hand to cook. So I turn the chicken to combine the seasoning. Then I bring in my gas stove. Yeah, inside. Then I'm on the gas right now. Then I put the pot on top of the gas. Yeah, the cooking has started. If you watch up to this point, please follow this page, like and leave a comment. Then I added this scent leaf. This is dry scent leaf. This is what I was able to get here. Then I added this dry scent leaf. The chicken has already started cooking. Like, I can perceive the aroma is all over my house right now. If you come inside my house, you will know that something is cooking, and it's pepper soup. Yeah, look at me sweating. The heat is too much. Like, I am sweating. Yeah, so the pepper soup is almost ready. Bring your spoon, bring your plate, come, let's eat. Yeah, I also made rice. Yeah, they want to pair the pepper soup with white rice. You can never go wrong with this both. Yeah, the pepper soup is ready, guys. Can you see what I am saying? So yummy, so delicious. Yeah, so guys, see you on my next one. Help me to share, and see you on my next one. Bye.